اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Iqra with Iqra. Alhamdulillah, this is the last and final segment for today. Surah Atul Hashr, you are going to now start. And let's see how far we get in this surah, in this segment. Verses 24, Ruku 3. Assalamu alaikum, viewer.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum salam, Paiza.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Good, mashallah. Romania, how's Romania?
Everything's fine, but it's not snowing.
Okay. But is it cold?
Yes, it's quite cold.
Really cold, is it?
Yes.
Frosty in the morning?
Sorry?
Is it frosty in the morning? Frost, ice?
No.
No, okay. Inshallah, that's good. So, I mean, how are you doing?
Everything's fine, alhamdulillah.
Lovely, jovely. And, you know, mum, dad, Laiba, everyone doing well? You're okay, you're good, everything in life's just moving on, I guess?
Yes, they're giving you salam.
Salams to both your parents, I mean both the mum and dad, and to Laiba as well. And do you guys get to watch, or are you really busy nowadays?
No, we watch.
You do watch, but the lines are busy though, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. Next year, it's going to be different, man. It's going to be good, mashallah. A lot of changes, a lot of new things are happening. And I can't believe it's the 5th year. It's going to be the 5th year of Iqra with Iqra.
So are you going to have the Q factor again?
Yes, of course, inshallah. Why not? Definitely. Every year. We have it every year, right?
Yes, so when are you starting it?
You'll find out in good time.
No, I want to find out.
You will find out. Don't worry. I will tell you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Inshallah. Okay, Faiza. Brilliant. Thank you so much. And now I'm going to give you some verses from Surah Al-Hashr.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم هو الذي أخرج الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب من ديارهم لأول الحشر
Yeah.
وما ظننتم أن يخرجوا وظنوا أنهم مانعتهم حصونهم.
It's أنهم نعتهم. Ta's got a dhamma.
مانعتهم
Nice. حصونهم.
Okay. حصونهم من الله فأتاهم الله من حيث
فأتاهم الله has got a dhamma. فأتاهم الله.
فأتاهم الله من حيث لم يحتسبوا وقذف.
No. لم يحتسبوا and just stop.
Okay.
And then وقذف
في قلوبهم الرعب يخربون سوتهم
بيوتهم. No, no. يخربون بيوتهم
بيوتهم بأيديهم وأيدي المؤمنين فاعتبروا يا أولي الأبصار ولولا أن كتب الله عليهم عليهم الجلاء لعذبهم في الدنيا ولهم في الآخرة عذاب النار ذلك بأنهم شاقوا الله ورسوله ومن يشاق الله فإن الله شديد العقاب ما قطعتم من لينة أو تركتموها قائمة على أصولها فبإذن الله
وليخزي الفاسقين. Okay, lovely, Faiza. That was good. It wasn't too bad at all. Your rules are still intact. Yes, some fatha, kasra, dhamma mistakes. Other than that, it's brilliant. And call me as often as you can, yeah?
Okay.
All right, listen, you have a good evening, and hopefully we'll speak to you again very soon.
Inshallah.
Jazakallah, Faiza, all the way from Romania. Next call, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Who's calling?
It's Ahmed from London.
Ahmed.
Yes.
Ahmed, ba'd ismuhu Ahmed from London. How are you, Ahmed?
Yeah, fine, alhamdulillah.
That's good. And how old are you?
I'm 14.
You're 14. And how long have you been watching this show, Iqra with Iqra?
For about the past 2 months.
Okay. And how did you get to know about it?
Well, my mother told me.
Your mother?
Yeah.
How long has she been watching then?
She's been watching it longer than me.
Acha, okay. Lovely. And so in the last 2 months, have you been watching regularly, on and off? Have you learnt anything, you think?
Yeah, on and off.
Have you learnt anything?
Yeah.
What?
How to join the letters together and to pronounce them.
Okay. And are you currently reading the Quran anywhere, or have you completed the recitation? What's going on
I'm
there?
currently reading the Quran.
You are? And do you go to masjid?
No, I read in somebody's house.
Oh, you go down someone's yard, yeah?
Yeah.
And once a week or every day?
It's every day.
Every day?
Yeah.
Okay. How long for?
For an hour.
Every day, meaning all 7 days?
No, all 4 days.
4 days?
Yeah, 4 days.
Monday to Thursday?
Yeah.
Okay, for an hour, yeah? And what do you learn there? What do you do?
We read the Quran and learn some of the surahs as well.
So you read pages of the Quran by looking inside?
Yep.
And what do you do to the surahs?
We memorize some of them.
You memorize. And
Yes.
how many surahs have you memorized so far?
About 6 to 8 maybe.
Okay, and are you talking about the small surahs?
Yes, more.
Okay, anything else you do in the hour?
No, just
Nothing else?
no.
Okay, so what juz are you on at the moment? What sipara?
The 30th one.
You're on the 30th.
Yeah.
So you've read all 29.
No, I started from the 30th, like learning the surahs first.
Acha. Okay, okay. So you haven't really started reading the text. You're memorizing at the moment.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, okay, let's see how good you are.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما أفاء الله على رسوله منهم فما
Okay,
أوجه
let's start again. Wama.
وما أفاء الله.
Okay, now afa, what's on top of the fa?
It's mud.
So why don't you make it long? How long do you have to make this?
وما أفاء الله على رسوله منهم.
It's rasulihi.
رسوله منهم فما أوجفتم عليه من
من خيل
من خيل ولا ركاب ولكن الله يسلط رسله على من يشاء والله على كل شيء قدير.
قدير. Okay.
Yeah.
Carry on.
ما أفاء الله على رسوله من أهل القرى فلله وللرسول والذي القربى واليتامى والمساكين وابن السبيل لا
كي لا يكون
دولة بين الأغنياء منكم وما آتاكم الرسول فخذوه وما نهاكم عنه فانتهوا واتقوا الله إن الله شديد العقاب.
Okay, now, your name is again, what did you say?
Ahmed.
Ahmed. Now look, you're reading, mashallah, you're recognizing the words, the letters, and you're reading them. It's clear, mashallah. But there are a lot of mistakes. Now I want to ask you, are you learning tajweed?
No.
No. Well, that explains why there are so many mistakes. Then why are you not learning tajweed at the place you go to?
I'm not quite sure why.
Right. Are you going tomorrow?
Yeah.
Can you ask and let me know?
Okay.
Ask tomorrow and then call me tomorrow. Let me know, Ahmed.
Okay.
Ask why you're not learning tajweed.
Okay.
And I want you to watch Iqra with Iqra and call me every day, please.
Yeah. Okay.
Monday to Friday at least, because that's when I'm live. And next year, I'm going to start Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha and the foundation tajweed. Make sure you watch.
Okay.
Because by Ramadan, you will know your tajweed, inshallah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Ahmad, take it easy, mate. Next viewer, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Samia,
Yeah,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yes, not bad. Where have you been earlier on?
I was an intervention.
All right. Are you ready to read now?
Where is it?
Where is it?
Yeah.
It's in the Quran, mate. Where else do you think
no,
it is?
which surah and ayah?
Which verse you mean, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, then. It's verse number 8, Surah Al-Hashr.
Verse number 8.
Yes. للفقراء المهاجرين. Surah Al-Hashr, yeah.
Okay, wait.
Okay, it's on the screen if you want to read from the screen. It's the second to last line.
No, I found it.
Okay, then.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم للفقراء المهاجرين الذين أخرجوا من ديارهم وأموالهم يبتغون فضلا من الله ورضوانا وينصرون الله ورسوله أولئك هم الصادقون والذين تبوأوا الدار والإيمان من قبلهم يحبون من هاجر.
No, man hajar, if you're going to stop.
Okay. من هاجر إليهم ولا يجدون في صدورهم حاجة مما أوتوا ويؤثرون على أنفسهم ولو كان بهم خصاصة ومن يوق شح نفسه فأولئك هم المفلحون والذين جاءوا من بعدهم يقولون ربنا اغفر لنا ولإخواننا الذين سبقونا بالإيمان
after the alif madda.
سبقونا بالإيمان ولا تجعل في قلوبنا غلا للذين آمنوا ربنا إنك رؤوف رحيم.
Okay, lovely, Samia. Thank you very much. Good reading, and I will speak to you again very soon. Next viewer, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Abdullah.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah. How are you?
Very well, alhamdulillah. Is Muhibullah going to read?
Yeah.
Maryam?
Yeah.
All three?
Yeah, all three.
Lovely, lovely. How's Glasgow?
It's good, alhamdulillah.
Is it cold or is it okay?
It's very cold.
Very cold, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. It's not snowing yet, though?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Right, Abdullah.
Yeah.
Let's get cracking, mate. It's verse number 11.
Okay.
ألم تر إلى الذين.
Yeah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم تر إلى الذين نافقوا يقولون لإخوانهم الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب لئن أخرجتم لنخرجن معكم ولا نطيع فيكم أحدا أبدا وإن قتلتم لننصرنكم والله يشهد إنهم لكاذبون لئن أخرجوا لا يخرجون معهم ولئن قوتلوا لا ينصرونهم ولئن نصروهم ليولن الأدبار ثم لا ينصرون لا
No, this is, yeah, exactly. لأنتم
أشد رحبة في صدورهم من الله ذلك بأنهم قوم لا يفقهون.
Okay, good. Give it to Muhibullah, please.
Okay.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Muhibullah, how are you doing, mate?
I'm fine.
I'm fine as well. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Let's have it, please. When you are ready, verse number 14. لا يقاتلونكم جميعا.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لا يقاتلونكم جميعا إلا في قرى محصنة أو
من وراء جدر.
بأسهم بينهم شديد تحسبهم جميعا وقلوبهم شتى ذلك بأنهم قوم لا يعقلون كمثل الذين من قبلهم قريبا ذاقوا وبال أمرهم ولهم عذاب عليم كمثل الشيطان إذ قال للإنسان نكفر فلما كفر قال إني بريء منك إني أخاف الله رب العالمين فكان عاقبتهما أنهما في النار خالدين فيها وذلك جزاء الظالمين.
Lovely, lovely. Can you give it to Maryam, please?
Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, Maryam?
I'm fine.
And had a good day today?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, verse number 18, yeah?
Yeah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله ولتنظر نفس ما قدمت لغد واتقوا الله إن الله خبير بما تعملون ولا تكونوا كالذين نسوا الله فأنساهم أنفسهم أولئك هم الفاسقون لا يستوي أصحاب النار وأصحاب الجنة هم الفائزون. لو لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله.
Okay.
وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون.
Brilliant, Maryam. Very good. Thank you for reading, you, Muhibbullah and Abdullah. And continue watching, and hopefully you will call me whenever you get through in this remaining days in this month, and of course next year as well. Let's move on to our next viewer now. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm very well, Muhammad. How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Fantastic. Right, verse number 22, when you're ready, Muhammad.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة.
Again, no, it's not washahadat. It's washahada.
والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, now read that verse again. هو الله
الذي لا إله إلا هو.
Now read that again. هو الله
الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, you see, هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو. What I was trying to do, Muhammad Bhai Patel, is this: the first time when you read it wasn't fluent. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
There wasn't no flow. And this is what I mean when you practice at home. This is exactly what you do. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو. If you don't get it, if you don't read it like that the first time, read it again. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا, until you get it right. Okay?
Yeah.
هو الله الذي. Carry on. Let's have it.
هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام الملك
No, no.
القدوس
الملك القدوس السلام.
الملك القدوس قدوس السلام
قدوس السلام.
الملك القدوس السلام والمؤمن
السلام المؤمن.
سلام
No. It's السلام المؤمن.
السلام المؤمن المهيمن عزيز الجبار
المتكبر. Okay, listen. What I want you to do, Muhammad, Subhanallah amma yushrikun, huwa Allahul Khaliqul Bari'ul Musawwiru lahul asma'ul husna. ويسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم صدق الله العظيم. I need you, Muhammad Bhai, to practice this. Go over each verses again and again and again and again until you get it right. And that applies to everyone. Thank you so much for watching Iqra with Iqra Khatm al-Quran. Tomorrow in the morning and evening, of course, we will continue inshallah. So join me then. Till then, stay safe, look after yourself. Remember us in your du'as. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم